welcome back to No Gears No Glory. Today I'm just going to be doing kind of a quick project. I decided that my Polaris RZR is not looking that great. The plastic's starting to kind of fade and it doesn't really look good. I've got a lot of spots on it that I can't seem to really wash off. I've pressure washed it, I've foamed it, and it's just not looking as fresh as it used to. So what we're going to be doing today is doing some plastic rejuvenation using this. This is Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Rejuvenation. It's a Plastic Restore. It's a pretty good product. I've had it for a while. I used it on a previous car that I used to have a long time ago. It's been sitting on the shelf and I thought, you know what? Let's give it a go and see how it does. I do know that it doesn't last super long. Within a year the plastic will begin to look faded again, so it's something that you have to reapply, and this is also going to lead me to try different products later on. Without further ado, let's get into it. So now, just after a little bit, you can see that it makes quite a difference. There's a little bit of a oily feeling to it. I won't lie. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm afraid that dust and dirt might stick to it more. But we'll see how that pans out. And then you can see how it really, well, you might be able to see how it really cleans up the sticker as well. I'm trying not to get it on the paint. Don't want to use it on the paint. But even the sticker seems to really clean up really nicely and kind of refresh. Just really brings back these darker tones and brings out the sparkles in the RZR logo. So we'll keep going and see how it looks. Wow, this fender looks so much better. And just glossy and nice rich black. I really like that. So I'm doing small sections at a time because it seems like even if you do a large section, it soaks in real quick and it doesn't spread very easily. So small dots, small sections, and just kind of systematically remove around the panel seems to be a much better method. So if I do like a pea-sized dot on here, not particularly large, I'm just going to work it in right here. I'll cover this whole section, which is what, about 8 inches by 3 inches, maybe 2.5. Seems to really get some good coverage at that point. Let's tackle this dash and hood. All right, let's give it a coat. Let's give it a coat. So overall, I'm very happy with the results I've gotten from the Meguiar's. It actually worked pretty good. As you see, I did some of our 2016 Ford Explorer. There's a lot of plastic around the base of that, and that started to come out really nice. That wasn't looking as faded as the RZR, but it needed, you know, to be restored a little bit anyways. And so that's just a little, you know, kind of tip how it came out for me. Again, I don't love how oily it is a little bit, so on the RZR that may be a thing where it tends to attract more dust and dirt, but at the same time, if it washes off pretty well, you know, that should be okay as well. So this is Jeremy with No Gears No Glory signing off. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this content today, and we'll see you next time right back here at No Gears No Glory. Bye bye.